Welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show another problem which is night at the museum. So, so you can see here, recently, like the hero, one of the famous comedy film, found a job as a night security guard at the museum. At first night, he received Ambassador and was to take stock of the whole exposition. Ambassador is a special device that allows print the next of the plastic tape. Text is printed sequentially, character by character. The device consists of a wheel with a lowercase English letter written in a circle, static pointer to the current letter, and a button that print the chosen letter. At one move, it's allowed to rotate the alphabetic wheel one step clockwise or counterclockwise. Initially, static pointer points to a letter A. Other letters are located as shown on the picture. So here you can see, after Grosley add a new item to the base, he has to print its name on the plastic tape and attach it to the corresponding exhibit. It's not required to return the wheel to its initial position with pointer on the letter A. Our hero is afraid that some exhibits may become alive and start to attack him, so he wants to print the names as fast as possible. Help him the given string. Find the minimum number of rotation of the wheel required to print. Input: the only line input contains the name of some exhibit. The non-empty string consisting of no more than 100 characters is granted that the string consists of only lowercase English letters. Output: print one integer, the minimum number of rotation that of the wheel required to print the name given in the input. Here in given input C, input G use output is 18 and input map output is 35. In the last you can see areas output is 34. And here the logic, or the logic, how can you get the, it's not logic explanation, how can you get those answer or output. So we have to, first of all, we have to go our repeat. So here we also already has a class name main, and then we have a scanner class and our needed package. So here we have to take a character input from our user. So here we converted it by a character array. So we write character of t is equal to s dot next dot to array. After that we have to take a character like a previous string. Yes, it means previous string, previous letter, previous text. So we write pt is equal to a. So after that we have to, and then we have to take another here which is distance, in distance. So we write in distance. So here we initialize it by 0, and then we have to take another here which is moves. So we write in moves. So after that we have to run a loop which is for loop. So we write for int I is equal to 0, and then I is less than cs dot length, and after that we have to write Here we don't need this, we cut this and paste here. So we write in distance is equal to math.apps here minus text or t minus t of I minus t of I minus ps, and then we have to run a if loop. So here we write if here we write if distance is greater than 13, then output should be, or the moves should be, moves value is moves is equal to 26 minus distance. So here we have to write not ps, we have to write pt, and then else we have to write moves is equal to moves plus is equal to distance, and then we have to write the we have to write pt is equal to text of I, so here we have to print moves. So we have to run our program. So here you can see many problems. So here you can see we made a mistake here. We have not made this second bracket. So we remove a second bracket from here. So after that we have to print and then we have to run our program. Before this we have to copy those examples given in our questions. So after all of these things we have here another problem, which is I dot length. So here we have to write t dot length, and then we have to run our program again. Text of I, it's not text of I, it should be t of I. And then we have to run, then you can see areas is 12. So you can see if areas is equal to 12 is 34. and then we see map is 11. So here we done another mistake, which is we have to write here moves plus is equal to distance minus 26. So and then after that we again we run our code and paste those examples. Here you can see areas. Answer of areas is 34. So we paste here and you can see 34, and then again we run our program, and after that we paste map and you can see what's the answer. So you see it's 35, and then again we run our code and paste juice. The output shown in our example is 18. So you can see what's here, it's also 18. So in the for after all of this thing we have to select all and copy our code, and then we have to go our question, then submit code, go to submit code and paste our code here. Before that we have to choose our problem, night the museum, night at that museum, night at the museum, and then press into the submit button. And then we refresh it, then you can see it's accepted. If you understand this video, like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.